Best crossbows for women. Are you looking for the best crossbows for women? I have compiled a list of top 3 crossbows for women this year. These crossbows are handpicked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. I will show each of the crossbow's strengths and weaknesses. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Barnett 78128 Whitetail Hunter 2. To get us started, our top pick is the Barnett 78128 Whitetail Hunter 2. This crossbow positively breaks the quality and price range scale. It is a robust choice that comes with 350 FPS and 150 pounds of draw weight, which means it can take down a target pretty quickly and accurately. It's also as compact and lightweight as more expensive models, with an overall weight of 6.4 pounds. This makes crossing long distances easy and quick. Another noticeable feature is its anti-dry-fire trigger system. Dry firing is in reference to any instance in which a crossbow is shot without an arrow loaded in it, which ends up applying extensive amounts of force, causing considerable damage and possibly causing injury. It also comes with string-based cocking assist, so it loads arrows faster than other models, and makes this less fatiguing for the user. Sadly, the scope does not offer the customization that some experienced users may seek, so you might want an upgraded model, adding extra value to its base price. Our opinion. Excellent quality for an affordable price makes this a great option not only for beginners, but for experienced users. If you can overlook the issues with the scope and desire a sturdy, accurate, and lightweight model, this is a great all-around choice. Number 2. Barnett Explorer XP400. Coming up next, we have the Barnett Explorer XP400. The first thing that strikes you about the crossbow is the style. It looks aggressive, which many people are going to love. Behind the good looks is a crossbow that ticks all the right boxes and excels in both accuracy and power. The velocity is impressive at 400 frames per second. The downside to that is a high draw weight of 200 pounds, which some may struggle with. If you do want to get this model, it's a good idea to check if you'll be able to draw it. While you want it to be powerful, it can be tiring pulling a high draw weight. You get plenty in the package here. Included is a 4x32 multi-reticle scope that works very well. Along with that, you get 2 carbon arrows, some lube wax, and a lightweight side mount quiver. It is delivered mostly assembled, and putting the final pieces together is very easy. We didn't see any problems, but some users have noted quality control issues. Given how highly rated the crossbow is, the issues are clearly very rare. In terms of performance, it's hard to pick any fault with it at all. It's comfortable to use, has a good level of adjustability, and has high performance capability. Portability is high with this crossbow. It folds up quite well and isn't too heavy, allowing you to take it wherever you need to go. We were very impressed, and you'll have a lot of fun with it. It's a serious piece of equipment, and the distance and speed you'll get from the arrows is fantastic. Number 3. Bear Archery Cruiser G2 Adult Compound Bow. Our final pick is the Bear Archery Cruiser G2 Adult Compound Bow. One of the best compound bows designed for women is the Bear Archery Cruiser G2 Compound Bow, which is designed with high quality and best known for its sports performance. The Bear Archery Cruiser G2 has a versatile design, and easy to use as well as suitable for target shooting, hunting, games, or outdoor practice. Its adjustable draw length and draw weight give you the options for easy adjustment of 5 to 70 pounds. With an impressive speed at 315 feet per second, this long-range crossbow is a masterpiece for women of all ages.